my place. What you got to say, bro? What about you? Woo! Fresh snow.
Nice one.
With the sun out, man. Boys, what do y'all have to say?
Great day. Amazing. Kick a boot quad.
Awesome, man.
How was your first day on the mountain?
DB, nice license, bud.
Thanks, man.
Where did you lose it? This guy knows.
I didn't know it was a jump till I got right. I was like, oh fuck, I guess I jumped it. And I was like, We got a resident chef here, Jason Chipman. What's on the menu for tonight?
We've got some ribs, we've got some potatoes, we've got some broccoli, we've got some beans, we've got some rolls.
So, tell me more, Jason. Oh, wise one. Nice. How was it?
That was good. Doing that one again.
Great, son. You got in a half day, felt like a whole day.
And if half day felt like a whole day, it's the last day.
It's great. Fantastic.
Under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Run right out.
What up?
Once you begun.
I don't want this on video. This is like, this is not sexy.
Got this?
Yep.
Alright, man, have fun. What's that?
I forgot about that.
Dude, you taught me how to snowboard.
That's so.
It's snowshoe, man.
I forgot about that.
Cause your knee was all busted up.
Yeah.
And I was like, dude, I've never been. And you're like, dude, my knee is messed up. I hung out with you all day.
Yeah,
I gotta test my knee. Dude, and we hung out all day.
I mean, I tried to teach Brad Coleman a few years later.
How'd that
go? Chip had picked it up like a champ.
Roberto! boys. Cool.